I'm David Cross, and I am one of many election security advocates across the state of Georgia that is trying desperately to get Georgia legislators to listen to the rest of the world and to move to human-counted, hand-marked paper ballots. Recently, cybersecurity expert Mark Davis pointed out in testimony to both the state election board and the Georgia House Governmental Affairs Committee that our election system could be hacked with a very cheap and easy to find USB flash drive with a wireless access port. It's about this big. When I heard his comments, it made me think about Ruby Freeman and her statements that were captured on Cobb County police body cam. Take a listen.
And you are going to be amazed at that picture. And you're not. But now it's the USB port, so I need an attorney. I want to go live. I'll go live on every platform because it is going to blow your mind. But now it's the USB port, so I need an attorney. Because it is going to blow your mind. But now it's the USB port, so because it is going to blow your mind. But now it's the USB port, so I need an attorney. I want to go live. I'll go live on every platform because it is going to blow your mind.
She reversed her decision, unfortunately, and she said it's probably best for her not to do an interview with me at this time. She said she really needed to focus on getting a lawyer.
You thought about me. You are going to be amazed. I can't this. I want an attorney. And I want to go back. I need the attorney. I can tell you did, but the other part, the USB port, that's a totally different thing. And to me, the county don't care about clearing that because that was something I had in my head. So they say. I met with Secretary of County. They began to ask something, and I said, no, I can't ask them about an attorney. So I do want an attorney. I know I need an attorney. And I haven't answered any questions because I don't have an attorney. The FBI, nobody has reached out to me. They reached out to me only to clear my social media, clear my social media.
Call your legislators in Georgia. Call the governor. Let them know that we want human-counted, hand-marked paper ballots. We want the sovereignty of our vote back.